Congress party workers and leaders from the entire state of Tamil Nadu. We are all here to participate in the Save the Constitution rally being organized in the country. We all know that the BJP came into power in 2014, giving a lot of hope to the youngsters of this country by giving employment to approximately 2 crore youths of the country every year. They came with a focus agenda on education, on health, and so many other things. They tried to defame the Congress party by highlighting the Commonwealth Games, the 2G spectrum, which today after 10 to 11 years have been filed closure reports by the CBI and the courts. They gave bad name to the Congress, which brought right to education, right to food, right to compensation, and so many other laws which were brought by Madam Sonia Gandhi ji, late Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. But they tried to defame the Congress party. And in last 10 years, they tried to suppress our voice. They tried to use the agencies, the ED, the CBI, the income tax, to create a fear factor in the entire country, the atmosphere, so that we are not able to speak. And anybody who speaks, he has the fear of those agencies coming to their houses. And same way we see today that the FIR was registered against Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji, and a charge sheet was filed by the enforcement directorate in the court. For what? National Herald, a newspaper which was started during the freedom struggle, a newspaper which was banned for 3 years by the Britishers because it used to talk about the people who died during the freedom struggle, who gave us independence. Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, who wrote the Constitution, they tried to suppress that voice. This is what these people have done. Today, if we don't all get up together, I think then the BJP government at the center will try to crush this Constitution which was made, which was written by Bhimrao Ambedkar ji after the sacrifice of so many leaders of this country. And I feel today we all have to go to the districts and to the blocks and to the assemblies and to the villages and to the wards to convey this message, the kind of fear which BJP is trying to create in this country. And as everybody spoke about why I have come here, I would like to seek your support. There were times the way Kamraji in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, donated properties, created trusts, so that the ideology of the Congress party is transmitted to the ground level. Same way many other leaders across the country in different states donated party properties or made properties for the party from their own hard-earned income. But I think we were not able to keep up those properties intact, and at some places there are people who have tried to encroach upon our properties who belong to our party only. So my whole submission today, I am here with you to seek support from you in each and every block of Tamil Nadu and in adjoining states, so that we are able to retrieve and protect the Congress party's assets and our property, so that in the times to come, whatever revenue is generated, as told by one of the PCC presidents, that whatever revenue is generated, that comes to this state for the party, for the districts, to hold party programs in the entire state. So I would not like to say much. I would like to thank all of you that you have given me such a patient hearing. Try to see you in future in your districts as well. Once again, thank you very much. Vanakkam.